Because this guy is freeform. 22, 11, and 0. You know how he does it? AFK form. AFK form doesn't go. Doesn't have to go anywhere. I take it all, man. Bro, that's like carry. Carry's a new offline. I'm not out of position. I am in position to die. Don't get it twisted. I'm not out of position and feeding. I'm in position to die. Major difference. Major difference. Because of haste? Okay, hopefully there's no heats. I actually forgot the last game. The base net worth is a little wild though. Wait, look at net. I actually wasn't even feeding at all. Dude, I actually wasn't even feeding at all. I was fine. This hero's just like broken. I don't know. It's just like completely broken. Similar game. Sadly, my offlane turned out to be brain dead. That is true. You know, it does take two. Okay, if we can go radiant, we can do it. Let's see. Hopefully, it's not too much heat. Pizza topping. Any good cheese. Literally any good cheese. Like the finest mozzarella. He smile. Bro, 1, 2, 3. There's a lot of safe laners. We might have to outgoal them. Guys, no one's favorite pizza topping is pineapple. You know, everyone like is I don't know what like secret society or organization where everyone agreed pineapple is like okay. I think it's okay too, but not definitely not the favorite. There's like 10 billion just objectively better pizza toppings. Okay. I think I know what we're doing. Okay, we just need to see how Pink responds. If Pink responds negatively, there might be a problem. Actually, incredibly goated lifestealer game. I don't know about you guys. This is like the best